Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to dive deep into the Flip It software. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how you can turn your photos and your album pages into these absolutely stunning, dynamic 3D flipbook videos. So let's get right into it. So, what's the first thing you really need to know about this? Well, Flip It is a workhorse. It's built for those really big projects. We're talking it can handle over 100 images at a time. That means even your biggest, most ambitious photo albums can be brought to life as this seamless digital experience. All right, so here's our game plan for today. We've got 5 clear steps. First, we'll set up our canvas. Then we'll get into the nitty-gritty of building the flipbook itself. After that, we'll add some creative polish, then we'll record our masterpiece, and finally, I'm going to show you this awesome pro-level trick for sharing using QR codes. Okay, first things first. Every great project needs a solid foundation. And with Flip It, that all starts with setting up your digital canvas. And honestly, it could not be more straightforward. Step 1, you just pick your video size, and yep, Full HD is right there for that super crisp, professional look. And step 2, you just click the Add button and bring in all the images or album pages you're going to use. Simple as that. The best part? You're never guessing what the final product is going to look like. At any point, just smash the Update Preview button for a live look. You can even use a left mouse click to flip through the pages yourself and just check the flow of your creation. It's awesome. Okay, so now we're moving on to the real core of the process. And this next part, this is especially powerful for anyone who works with pre-designed album spreads. It's one of the key reasons Flip It is such a flexible and amazing tool. So you'll often have something called a center bind image. It's a super common format in album design, right? Where one single image file actually shows 2 pages, a left and a right, sitting side by side. The big question is, how do we turn that into a book with individual flippable pages? Well, it's a super simple 3-step process. First, you're going to select all of your center bind images. Just hold down the Shift key and click the first and last file to grab them all. Second, you click the Split Vertically button. And boom, the software instantly slices every image right down the middle into 2 separate pages. And third, you guessed it, hit Update Preview and see the magic happen. And from here, you have total control to fine-tune everything. You can use the Move Up button to get your cover page in just the right spot, or you can instantly set a front and back page with just one click. You can even use a right mouse drag right in the preview window to adjust the 3D perspective to get that perfect angle. All right, the structure's in place, the pages are set. Now it's time to add your unique creative touch. This is the fun part, where your project goes from just a simple flipbook to a really personalized piece of art. And this is where you can really get creative. You can set a custom background using your own images or even an animation. You can add a background audio track to really set the mood. You can even apply some professional video overlays, like these beautiful bokeh effects, to give your flipbook that extra layer of polish. Okay, you have built it, you have polished it, and now it is time to capture your masterpiece and turn it into that final video file. And you've got 2 great options here. If you want a hands-off approach, go with auto recording. Just set how many seconds you want each page to be on screen, select your recording quality, and the software handles the rest. Or if you want a more custom, handcrafted feel, choose manual recording. With this one, you control the page turns with your mouse during the recording, so you can time them absolutely perfect. So your video is done, but how do you deliver it in a way that's really innovative, really professional, and actually bridges that gap between the physical and the digital world? So you've got this beautiful video file, right? And of course, you could just email it to your client, but what if there was a more elegant, a more integrated way to deliver it? Just think about it for a second. What if a client could open their physical wedding album, scan a little code with their phone, and instantly see the video version of it come to life? Well, that's exactly where this next feature comes in. And honestly, it could not be any easier. First, you just upload your finished video to a free service, like YouTube or Google Drive. Second, you get the public sharing link for that video. And third, back in the Flip It software, you just paste that link in and click Generate QR code. That's it. You now have a high-resolution QR code image ready to go. And this, right here, this is the real game changer. You can take that QR code and print it directly into the physical photo album itself. It's a seamless, totally professional touch that connects a timeless physical product with a dynamic digital memory. You see, it's not just a video anymore. It's a completely integrated experience for your client. So that leaves me wondering, What other ways could this powerful feature bridge the physical and digital divide?